Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make these super delicious and simple Ghanaian pancakes. So for these pancakes, I use nutmeg, salt, eggs, flour, sugar, milk, and butter. Start with sifting the flour. Add salt, add nutmeg, and a little bit of sugar and give it a whisk. Now add the eggs and add half a cup of milk. Mix it again and add the remaining milk. So now that we have a nice and silky batter, heat a skillet over medium to high heat. Grease it with oil or butter and scoop some of the batter and pour it into the skillet. Then cook the pancakes until golden brown on each side. And repeat the process until your batter is finished. And there you have it. They are nice, thin, and fluffy. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.